This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Joanne Ruggiero. Look no further, this is the one you have been waiting for. Located in the desirable area of Coral Gardens. Great floor plan. Extra room that can be used for a dining room/office or sunroom with French doors going to a great size partially fenced-in yard. Room for a pool. Freshly painted inside and out. New flooring throughout. New roof, air conditioner and updated 200 amp electrical panel all 2020. New kitchen cabinets, with stainless steel appliances. Most windows are new with storm shutters. Bring your RV/boat no HOAs. Close to shopping, US 195 and the beach. Get ready, move into your newly renovated home. For more information, review the details below.